Go ahead, sir, at the mic. Ask your question, please.
Honored to talk to you, sir. My question is, I am K.S. Srikanth. I am working in Food Corporation of India as a telephone operator. My question is more earthly in all manners of speaking. You earlier in your speech quoted one verse from Quran and said actually it is not only the moon which moves but also the sun, and science has proved that sun moves all right. But this seems to be reiterating the earlier days belief that earth is round all right, but all the heavenly bodies are going round the earth, including the sun. The geocentric theory, all the stars and sun and the moon was created to go around the earth, and earth is the center of everything. So this seems to be implying that, isn't it?
That's a very good question the brother has asked. Therefore I said for more details, refer to my video cassette Quran and Modern Science, Conflict or Conciliation, Part 1 and Part 2. It's a 4-hour cassette which took place in Bombay. The chairperson is saying that be brief. It's difficult to be brief and to convince. And the brother rightly said there was a theory which was propounded by Ptolemy. I'm giving the name of the person. By Ptolemy, 2nd century BC, which believed in the theory of geocentrism. Geocentrism means the earth was the center of the universe and all the planets, including the sun, revolved around the earth. That was the center, which the Quran completely contradicts. Quran contradicts. In fact, what I quoted is the verse of the Holy Quran, brother, from Surah Al-Anbiya, chapter 21, verse number 33, which says, هُوَ الَّذِي خَلَقَ اللَّيْلَ وَالنَّهَارَ وَالشَّمْسَ وَالْقَمَرَ. That it is Allah who has created the night and the day, the sun and the moon. كُلٌّ فِي فَلَكِ يَسْبَحُونَ. Each one traveling in an orbit with its own motion. It says that the sun and the moon is traveling in an orbit. Orbit means revolving. With its own motion means rotating. Yasbahun is an Arabic word describing the motion of a moving body. So for a celestial body, it is rotating. It's revolving and rotating. Nowhere does the Quran say that the sun and the moon revolves around the earth. Today science is advanced. That's an old theory which has been proved wrong. Today science tells us that the sun of the solar system, sun is center. The planets, Mercury, Earth, Venus, all are revolving. But the solar system on its own, the whole solar system is also revolving around in the galaxy. If you know, brother, that's the latest theory. That even the solar system is revolving around a point in the galaxy. And even the galaxy is revolving. Point in the universe. So Quran does not say the sun and the moon is revolving around the sun, which Taslima Nasreen has misinterpreted. She says that the Quran says the sun revolves around the earth. There's not a single statement. That's a misinterpretation. The Quran says the sun and the moon revolve and rotate. It doesn't say around the earth. That's, she's adding her own. Previously when I was in school, I was taught the sun revolves, but it does not rotate, it was stationary. Today with the help of an equipment, you can have the image of a sun on the tabletop. Since we can't look at the sun directly, you can have the image of the sun on the tabletop, and we have come to know that the sun has got black spots. And it takes approximately 25 days for these black spots to complete one rotation, indicating the sun takes 25 days to complete one rotation. So what science has proved today, in school I didn't know this. What science has proved today that the sun rotates and revolves, Quran has mentioned this 1400 years ago, and there is not a single statement in the Quran which goes against established science. There may be theories which go against the Quran. Theories like Darwin's theory which has been proved wrong. But there is not a single scientific fact which has been established which goes against a single verse of the Holy Quran. Hope that answers the question.